In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable sleep mode on your Toshiba laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best results, come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And now on the left panel, select System. And on the right side, go down, not too far down, but there should be a section that says Power. Select it, and then select the screen and sleep timeout option. There should be a plugged in as well as battery section here. Make sure where it says make my device sleep after, click the drop downs and select never for those items. And you can also adjust when the screen turns off. It's a little different than your computer turning into sleep. Just would select the drop down again and select never for that. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.